Naledi Appiah posted this video right after her gig, waiting for the time to win catch a flight, and posted and saying that we are not going to laugh at each other. Basically talking about the Pirates and Chiefs game that played last night. But she posted this video before the game playing and also emphasized that, some people have lost against Stellenbosch twice, meaning Chiefs, right? And what I've noticed is that a lot of Pirates fans were quite anxious this time about the game. I've never seen them this anxious. They came in numbers. Also, Kaizer Chiefs fans also came in numbers. Celebrities were divided. Some took off their shirts at the game, after they lost. If you missed the game, they basically lost 3-0. Kaizer Chiefs lost and Pirates won. And she was like, nah, we are not going to laugh at each other. But yeah, I've seen a lot of Pirates fans were quite anxious about yesterday's game. I think they thought that there was going to be a turnaround to Kaizer Chiefs always losing. Believe me, being a Kaizer Chiefs fan is an extreme sport. You will be embarrassed after being embarrassed. Some people even went to the stadium with extra t-shirts because they went there wearing the Kaizer Chiefs t-shirts, and they took them off once they lost. And I'm just like, it is what it is, guys. Kaizer Chiefs lost, I know they're probably laughing at us. I can't wait to see what she has to say about us losing. But I'll update you guys. Here's the full video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you on my next video.